Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. This was expected. Usually the Fridays are like that. Nifty opened in line with the GIFT Nifty expectation, but then markets made some kind of a recovery, say about 80-90 point recovery from the lows. Then at about 1:30 when the Europe market opened, the market fell once again. And then in last 40 minutes, there was a sharp, swift recovery. And usually the Friday last half an hour, it happens like that because the people will not like to carry positions over the weekend. But this weekend is not really very bad because you don't have to wait until Monday morning to react. A Sunday evening you can react because there is a Muhurat trading. Next week, Tuesday is a holiday. So therefore, number of trading sessions will be less. So though we have 3 weeks, next 2 weeks 5 trading session, the last week 4 trading session. So 10 plus 4, 14 trading session. Out of the 2 trading sessions holiday, so we have only about 12 more trading sessions excluding the Muhurat trading. So the time value will be helping the option sellers. Otherwise, markets are not going anywhere. They are going up, coming down, going up, coming down, And if you compare the US markets and Indian markets, in last swing high, Nasdaq has fallen about 8%. S&P 500 something around 6-7%. Now, the entire fall was retraced in the last 1 or 2 weeks. But we fell from 20,200 to 18,850. We have not retraced even 50% of that fall. So when US markets recovered 100%, we did not recover even 50%. But still, now we are more volatile than the US markets. Here, the problem for us, there are 2 main problems. One is a relentless selling by FIIs. In the last 3 months, FIIs have sold for nearly 10 billion US dollars. So I do not know what makes them to sell, and almost on a day-to-day basis they are selling. And today also they have sold, but the quantity may not be very high, but this is the 12th straight day of selling. In the November series, they did not buy even in 1 trading sessions. Every trading session they are selling. So this makes, it's not buy on the dip market, it's sell on the rise market. So just one day, one man, one statement, Jerome Powell, the whole thing has changed. And the markets all over the world are looking bearish. But however, after falling yesterday, the US futures are trying to recover. So as usual in the morning I check HDFC Bank was down, TCS Infosys down, Reliance is down, ICICI Bank was doing better. So it is a problem of continuous FII selling and a huge underperformance by index heavyweights. So this TCS Infosys, I don't know what is wrong with the IT stocks. They are looking really very, very bad. No matter what happens, so these stocks are coming under selling pressure, especially TCS and Infosys. Today, auto stocks also came under selling pressure after rising yesterday. So, usually we go to Muhurat trading session, Diwali festival with a lot of optimism, but this time that is totally missing. What happened in the last 40 minutes is also seems to be a short covering rally, and that's why as soon as our market closed and GIFT Nifty indicating like 40-50 point down. So that shows that what happened in the last 40 minutes is just a short covering. So anyway, US futures are trying to recover now. So we will see where it closes, and we will see what happens on Muhurat trading. And Muhurat trading, it's not a big deal, So when most of the other global markets are closed on Sunday, as far as I know, Sunday, two major markets. One is Saudi Arabia, another one is Israel. These two markets will be open. So most of the markets are closed. So we may not have any bigger clue to play around. So maybe, like plus or minus 40, 50 points, So Muhurat trading may be over. So next week, maybe there will be a lot of action. So this week, as I told you, there was no important economic data. But next week, US consumer price inflation data, US retail sales data all are there. So US market has been silent for the last 1 week, except yesterday's Jerome Powell statement induced sell-off. And next week there will be a lot of action on either side. So we will see where the market goes. Tomorrow and after tomorrow I will be busy with a small workshop at my home just for 5 people in Dubai. And then I will be preparing for the next workshop in Mumbai. So Mumbai is always my favorite destination. So there is always a good demand for the workshop in. Moreover, I have a lot of friends in Mumbai also. So that be a chance for me to meet my friends. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.